Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to put the word Charlotte into this C. They sent me this file, and I played around with it. You can't, and an envelope doesn't do a good job. I am going to do one in part 2, but I'm going to show the person I'm doing it for that right there would look pretty cool. It doesn't have to conform. And all I did was take this. I've got Times New Roman. One thing you want to do is you want to put that about where you want it and then nudge it and don't move it again. Now we're going to go to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour just the outside 0.1 in red. Okay, go up to Object, break the contour apart, try to grab the red and move it down. I didn't get it, but that's fine. Now, there's two things I could do. I could break the curve apart and take away all these interior lines, or I can take a rectangle, take my smart fill, and that's going to make a carbon copy of the outside. I can actually delete this. Now I could take the smart fill tool again, and let's fill it in with blue, and now that's just the outside, and I'm going to do that right there. I'm going to select both of them, and I'm either going to go back minus front or front minus back. I'm going to go back minus front, and you see what it did? It cut a hole. Now I'm going to nudge this back up, and remember the whole time I'm nudging, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with black and take away the outline, and then I'm going to nudge it over, and that's what you get. Now we could work around if you wanted more of it black. You know, there's a lot of things we could do, but I think that's going to look equally as well. I did it with another font, and I'm going to go for part 2 and actually show them how to do this with that font. Anyway, so stay tuned for part 2, but maybe this will work. Hope that helped them, and thank you for watching.